Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screw that fixes the fender above. Use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the screw that fixes the fender at the bottom. Apply tape to the rear derailleur below the right-hand fixing screw to prevent scratching. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the fenders on both sides. Remove the rear fender. Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Cut the cable ties that secure the motor wires. Unscrew the motor wire terminal. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the wire clamping plate. Use a 10mm hex key to remove the bolts that fix the motor on both sides. Remove the anti-rotation washers on both sides. Take out the motor. Cut the cable ties that secure the brake cable. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that secure the left hook decorative shell. Install the left hook decorative shell. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Use cable ties to secure the brake cable to the left dropout decorative cover. The motor wire is on the left side of the person. The motor wires face downwards. Install the detent washer with the protrusion facing the direction where the person is standing. The motor wires face downwards. Ensure that the chain is engaged with the freewheel and derailleur cogs. Install the chain onto the smallest freewheel. Install the motor. Do not install the motor with the plane of the motor shaft horizontal. Tilt the plane forward at an angle. Insert the motor. Insert the anti-rotation gasket with the raised part facing inward and backward. Apply thread locking adhesive to the bolts on both sides. Screw in the bolts on both sides. Use a wrench to tighten them alternately. Install the cable clamp with the opening facing outwards. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Insert the motor wire terminal. Tighten the terminal. Use cable ties to secure the motor wires and the motor lock wiring harness to the holes on the bike frame. Install the rear fender. Apply thread locker to the screws. Pre-tighten the fixing screws on both sides first. Pre-tighten the fixing screw at the bottom. Pre-tighten the fixing screw above. Adjust the fender to an appropriate position. Tighten the screw above. Tighten the screws on both sides. Tighten the fixing screw at the bottom. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.